Welcome home, masters and misses. My name's HidoriKuro, and welcome back to a new episode of House Odyssey Reacts, a series where I, the host and founder of House Odyssey, react to videos sent in by you all, the masters and misses, over on social media, or whatever catches my fancy. Sorry if my words are a bit slurring over. I'm tired. I was recently at a convention over the weekend. I didn't come home till yesterday afternoon. I'm literally recording this the day this is being uploaded, so pardon if quality is a bit lackluster compared to previous reactions. I'm still a bit tired. I'm trying to relax before I have to go back to work soon. But anyway, today we are reacting to next Friday. What was it again? Next Friday, Magical Meow Meow. It's just me, or has the magical girl genre pretty much started slowly taking over the indie animation scene? Because we've had Pretty Please, I Don't Want to Be a Magical Girl. We've had The Ebony Witch. We've had the 3 tomes. Notice how these 3 I've mentioned are all from Black creators. And now we have this. We're gonna get some Power Rangers indie animation going on here, some Super Sentai stuff here. I want to see some of that, some Gokai Ranger kind of thing, Kamen Rider. What's going on there, indie animators? Let's see that going. But now, on all seriousness, I saw a clip of this on TikTok. Went to go check it out on YouTube. See if there's a pilot. Lo and behold, there was. Figured get a short reaction out with this. Keep y'all satisfied because I'm keeping up my streak of one reaction video a week for the whole year. That streak has not been broken yet, and I don't intend to break it at all. So, sit back, relax, enjoy your coffee, and let's begin, shall we? And we're starting off strong here. Just sidestep it, okay?
Show me how magical Meow Meow! My comb!
Someone's in trouble.
Time out, Gabby! I'm so sorry. Can we please reschedule?
Of course, Salem. I have swim class anyways. Let's do next Friday.
Next Friday.
I'm sorry, what's just happened? Did the monster actually agree to reschedule because he couldn't transform? It's a comb and a mirror.
Oh, what did I tell you about taking my stuff again? I have a week to defeat Gabby, so I need you out.
But Mommy said you have to play with me all week.
And Mommy's on a work trip, so I can't watch you. I need to defeat Gabby to pass my class, and if I don't do that, I'll...
Dumb question, but does Mom not know her daughter is a magical girl and can't play with her sister because of responsibilities? Also, pass the class. He has to defeat monsters who pass the class. Is there a curriculum for magical girls? That would make a lot of sense.
fail my course, and I'll have to retake Dueling 101.
Uh-oh, what's going on in Daisy's head?
Hello? Understand?
I will help you.
Oh boy, I can see this going bad. Monday.
Hey. Show me how! Magical Meow Meow!
Mace. That's interesting.
Okay.
Sure, Daisy. Really? I mean, it's striking her, but oh, okay, let's try Wednesday. Just need Tuesday to recover.
Grapes.
I told you to stay!
Wait, what is he just tie? Oh boy.
Thanks, Daisy.
Thursday. One minute beat something.
Daisy?
And Daisy got abducted. And the monster got away. Oh, poor girl's struggling. Daisy behind you.
Give me that.
I'm combing my hair.
Not yours.
Your name is not on it. When can
Yes,
we
it
play
is.
dress up? I need to play now.
Learn how to leave me alone. I need to pass my
Just
class.
play with me. You always lose anyway.
Because of you! Oh, you're so annoying! Why would anyone want to play with you? No wonder you have no friends. Play with me, play with me.
Okay,
You're such
that's-
a brat!
Oh dear.
I didn't mean that. Wait.
See, this is why I'm glad I'm an only child. Because I know I wouldn't be able to keep my mouth shut. I know I'd have that kind of crass out. Though, to be fair, that was a bit harsh. You have to admit. Though you still gotta admit Daisy was being a little annoying. Okay, Gabby, time to run it back.
Sit over there, okay? Don't move.
Miss. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, and a rebound. Oof. Ooh. Right into the, what is that, Jumbotron? Godzilla beam. Figures. Ooh, and the Yamcha pose.
Oh.
Is he actually running away?
Daisy? Do you still want to play dress up with me?
Really?
Yeah. With this!
Really? No way! Show me, show me, show me how! Magical meow meow!
Well, that actually worked. And she has a hammer! Of course it's a hammer.
Oh my gosh, that was so cute! I wish I had a little sister. We could totally paint our nails and talk about boys. Oh my gosh, speaking of boys.
Gabby, log in, please.
My Gel X pedicure! That was $80. Ew! Get off! Get off! You're like totally getting my nails all dirty!
Thanks, it's quick.
Stop! Wait, I'm scared! This is not happening!
And KO.
Salem, again!
Daisy, you were so cool. Here. There. Just like me.
It actually does look better.
Yeah!
Did this still count as passing? Guess so. That wasn't so bad. It was actually pretty good, and I did like the 2D animation style. It was hard to take it seriously. But this was pretty good. Definitely gave me Sailor Moon vibes, especially with the Mexico transformation. But that's about all I can say on here. Like I said, I'm tired. I can't really give a good review for a reaction today. But I wanted to give y'all something. And this was definitely something. I'm watching the end credits. In this case, there is an end credits here. 2D effects thing. 2D effects? 2D. Oh yeah, this pretty much a mix of 2D and 3D, wasn't it? kind of hard to pay attention to that part. I think that's going to happen often. But that's going to do it for this episode of House Odyssey Reacts. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, please do leave a like and a comment. I'll be linking the creator in the description, so go check them out, please. And as always, Masters and Misses, we hope to see you again soon.